is another example on change of subject of formula. And in this example, we are to make u the subject of formula in the formula u squared plus 2s equals v squared. To do this, remember that only u squared have to be on this side. Only u have to be at the left hand side. So solution. We have u squared plus 2as equals v squared. Now to do this, we remove everything attached to u. Now what is attached to u first? Plus 2as. To remove that, we either bring this 2as to this side or we just subtract 2as from both sides, because when we subtract 2as from this side, it cancels out and we have 0. So we have the 2as removed from the left hand side where the u is. So let's do that. Subtract from both sides 2as. So we have u squared plus 2as then minus 2as equals v squared minus 2as. Now 2as minus plus 2as minus 2as, that's 0, it cancels out. So we are left with just u squared at this side equals v squared minus 2as. Now here we are trying to make u the subject of formula, not u squared. Now here we have raised to the power of 2. What do we do to remove this power of 2 that we have here? All we have to do is just raise both sides to the power of 1 over 2. So raise both sides to the power of 1 over 2. That is, we'll be having u squared, that's what we have here. Now we are raising it to the power of 1 over 2 equals v squared minus 2as raised to the power of 1 over 2. And here from indices, this becomes u raised to the power of 2 multiplied by 1 over 2. We multiply the powers equals v squared minus 2as all raised to the power of 1 over 2. And here 2 goes here 1, 2 goes here 1. 1 times 1 over 1. So that means we have u raised to the power of 1 here. And u raised to the power of 1, same thing as having just u. So therefore we have u equals v squared minus 2as raised to the power of 1 over 2, and that is the same thing as writing it as root of v squared minus 2as. And that is how to solve for u in this equation, hereby making it the subject of formula. Thank you.